seconds. Scope the list, I made a move with my wrist. Saw a great ship, called it Daedalus. What's this? The graphics were the craziest. Crew planning a trip to the Pegasus Galaxy, and the show was damn crisp. No fallacy, hit Stargate Atlantis. Damn, this is awesome, new space creations. Found a secret base abandoned by the ancients. So Shepard, Weir, Taylor, and McKay joined Tex and Caldwell up against the raid. It's so great, I'll do anything it takes to get me a part on the show Stargate Atlantis. Exploring planets, I'll do my damnedest to be on Stargate Atlantis. You know what I'll do? Yo, I'll play an alien from a distant planet, or a robot who is old and abandoned. Has someone kill me and leave me for dead? Castrate me, you can chop off my head. I can blend in among the Athosian, let you know when the enemies are closing in. I'll spend 14 hours in the makeup chair. They shoot in Canada, I'll even walk up there. I'm not kidding them, give me a laser gun, I'll even become a Canadian citizen, eh? And I don't need a make-out scene, I'll get the crew coffee if you know what I mean. And I'd be panicking, acting with Joe Flanagan. Won't turn my back on him. Who am I, Anakin? Can I blend in? Cause I know I can relate. I'll do anything to be on that show Stargate Atlantis. Exploring planets, I'll do my damnedest to be on Stargate Atlantis. Yeah, you know why? Cause I'm rarely ignored on the message board. So put me in the Stargate and let me transport. I can even be a lead, yeah, I'll show ya. I'll get more fan mail